Hello students, welcome to the fourth semester of BCA program. Hope all of you are fine and doing well at home. Take necessary precautions, use mask, sanitizer and stay at home. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Because of this COVID-19 pandemic, even this semester we have to continue with the online classes. I am Nagesh Patil, handling advanced Java subject this semester for you. Before continuing with the subject, today we will go through the syllabus of advanced Java programming. So let's start. Advanced Java programming is the subject name. The unit 1, which is of 8 hours, this is about event handling. This subject is totally based on the subject which you have learnt last semester, that is Java programming, and this is an extension of Java programming, that is advanced Java programming. So first unit is event handling, which includes event source, event classes, event listener, interfaces, example. So events, it is an action which happens, or event in programming is an action that occurs as a result of the user or another source, such as a mouse click or a key press on the keyboard. So that is included in the unit 1. Then unit 2 introduces to Swing. Swing, it is a set of classes which are used to create a graphical user interface in Java. In the last semester we have studied AWT, which is Abstract Windowing Toolkit, which is used to create a GUI in Java. So Swing, it is an advanced set of tools which can be used to create a GUI programming in Java. So that has been introduced in unit 2, which is of 10 hours. This includes features, components. So different components of Swing will be discussed, even applet in Swing, the panels, button, checkboxes, that has been included in unit 2. So unit 2 we will be studying about graphical user interface in Java. Unit 3, which is of 12 hours, that is JDBC architecture. So here we will be studying about Java database connectivity, which is used to connect our Java program with a backend database. So we can send data from our Java program to the database, and we can read data back from the database to the Java program by using JDBC, and that we will study in unit 3, which includes JDBC drivers, JDBC connection process, statements, prepared statements, result set, metadata and all. So about all of this we will be discussing unit number 3, whereas unit number 4 includes servlet interactions, or about servlets and JSPs, that is Java server pages. Servlet, it is the technology in Java which is used to create dynamic web pages. So the web pages which are there on the internet, you access so many web pages today, that is Facebook page, Google page, and so many web pages. So such web pages we can create by using servlet in Java, and about that we will be studying in unit number 4. And it also includes one more server-side technology called as Java server pages, that is JSP. This is one more server-side technology which can be used to create dynamic web pages in Java. So about this we will be studying in unit number 4, and unit number 5 includes networking basics and introduction to EJB. So in this unit we will discuss certain packages in Java which can be used to create a network application in Java. So Java is very famous for its network support. We can create network application like chatting application, client server application very easily in Java with only few lines of code. Java provides predefined packages which can be used for easy implementation of networking programs in Java. So all about this we will be discussing in unit number 5, which includes inet address, URL connection, sockets, datagrams, etc. This also includes one more technology we will be studying, that is EJB, that is Enterprise Java Bean, and different types of Enterprise Java Bean. Even Enterprise Java Beans are server-side components which can be used to create enterprise applications. So about this we will discuss in unit number 5. So this is the syllabus structure of advanced Java programming which we are going to study in this semester. So we will stop here. From the next session we will be discussing with unit number 1, that is event handling. So thank you.